My advice would be looking to understand both levered and unlevered cash flows, with debt being so instrumental in models right now, and with the interest rate seemingly ever changing. Debt forms a really important part in a cash flow. Sensitivity analysis as well, once again, connects to debt and how that can change. I think if you're in a position where you can work with a blank Excel spreadsheet and whip up some kind of legible cash flow in 2 hours to reach an IRR, you're in a competitive position to take advantage of the market. But if you're in a position where you really do need an existing template to work from, or you just need a lot of a head start in terms of knowing what the formulas are to use, I would recommend sitting a course and getting a bit more up to speed on that, because you will find competition can blitz past you. And I'd say this advice stands whether you're a surveyor in a more traditional front office capacity like asset management, or of course, if you're an existing analyst and you're looking to move from perhaps a software like Argus into pure Excel to create a bespoke cash flow. As a general rule of thumb, Excel is kind of the holy grail in our space. Although clients do use a mixture of things like Argus and Kel, we find that at least for testing purposes, Excel is the great equalizer, and it's what a lot of them will test on.